What's up, people? It's your boy Rodney. So, I recently posted a picture on a Facebook group which is called SA Photography. To my surprise, I actually wanted a bit of advice from professionals on how best I can improve my retouching skills. But then I ended up people actually asking me how I actually did it, how I actually retouched this image, this particular image. So after seeing quite a number of requests from certain individuals, I decided to walk you guys through the steps that I went through when I edited this picture. So basically I'm using Photoshop 2020, but I believe any other Photoshop can actually do the job. So I'm gonna basically turn off all the effects that I put on this image, so that I walk you through the steps, the first things that I did, and I walk you through the process. Alright, so this is the original image that I took. By the way, I was using 800D, Canon 800D, and a 50mm lens, and a Godox MS300 strobe light. I'm also going to leave links in the description below so that you guys can see the gear that I was using. So this is how the image looked before editing. As you can see, my makeup artist did most of the job for me, but then as you can see, these knuckles, they needed some retouching, and the makeup needed some retouching. So the method that I used was frequency separation, whereby we separate the low frequency and the high frequency. Let me switch it on and you guys can see. So if you see, when I switch it on, you see what happens to the knuckles and the makeup. Let me turn it off. You see those knuckles, and if I switch it back on, you see that it removed those dark areas which was making my model look weird. So I'm gonna do another video whereby I walk you through these steps deep, but for the sake of time, other people just wanted to see step by step basic steps that I went through. So I did frequency separation. From there, I actually added vibrance to the photo. So if you check here, just above on the eyelids, there's some purple makeup and some kind of orange. So the vibrance, I just masked this area alone to make this makeup pop up. So if I switch it on, you see that the makeup there, some colors and these golds, they will pop up. You see the gold here is more vibrant, and these purples by the nails and by the eyelids. Then the next thing, I added the black and white film. You know, since my model is dark skinned, I wanted to bring that dark skin feel to the image. Then I also added some color balance, you know, because if I turn it off, you see that this picture is so dull and too dark. So I added a little bit of color balance to lighten everything up. So basically that's what I did to this image. I'm not a professional retoucher. By the way, this was my first retouching project. So the trick is in this frequency separation. I'm also still learning, but I will try to do another video whereby I show you guys how best you can do your frequency separation. As you can see, I didn't do any bending and dodging because I don't know it, so I just skipped that process and tried to do the vibrance and the color balance. That's it for today, guys. See you in the next video, whereby I go through this frequency separation steps. I hope you enjoy the video.